Hello, English Vibes friends. Welcome back to our English for Beginners A1 playlist, where we make English super easy and fun. I'm Tom, your happy teacher. This is episode 3, and today we learn about everyday objects, things like books and pens. It's simple and great for beginners. Meet my friend Anna. Anna, say hi.
Hi, Tom. Hi, friends. I'm Anna. I learn English.
Great job, Anna. Friends, Anna is a beginner, just like you. Today, we name things in your bag, like I have a book, and ask questions like, is it a pen? It's like a fun game.
I like games, Tom. Things in my bag? Fun.
Yes, Anna, it's super fun. We'll practice slow, then fast, and play a game called Bag Mystery. You can repeat with us at home. Ready? Subscribe, share, and tell us in the comments what's in your bag. Maybe a book or a phone. We'll read the best ones next time. This is from our English for Beginners A1 playlist, where we learn easy words to talk in English. Want more lessons? Tell us in the comments. Let's open our bags. Okay, Anna, let's start with everyday objects. These are things we use every day. Listen, friends. Book, pen, phone, bag. Anna, say book.
Buck?
Close, Anna. It's book, with a nice ooh sound. Let's try together. Friends, repeat with us. Slow. Book, pen, phone. Book, pen, phone. Book, pen, phone.
I did it, Tom.
Yes, you did. Now let's add more. Notebook, pencil, key. Anna, say pencil.
Pencil?
Perfect. Let's practice. Slow. Notebook, pencil, key. Notebook, pencil, key. Notebook, pencil, key. Notebook, pencil, key. Great job, friends. Now let's use objects. Like, I have a book. Anna, try it.
I have a pen.
Nice. Friends, repeat. I have. I have. I have. Say an object. I have. I have. E have, e have.
Tom, I say I have phone.
Almost, Anna. It's a phone. We say a before objects, like I have a phone. Small mistake, friends. We all do it. Let's try is it, like is it a book? Anna, ask me.
Is it a key?
It's a phone. Friends, repeat. Is it? Is it? Is it? Say an object. Is it? Is it? Is it a? Time for a game. It's called Bag Mystery. I describe an object, Anna guesses, and you guess at home. Ready? It's small. You write with it. Anna, what is it?
A pen. My turn. It's big. You read it. Tom, what is it?
A book. Friends, your turn. It's small. You call people with it. Say the object. Great. One more. I have a notebook. My name is Anna. I have a pencil. Friends, say your name and an object. Solo practice. Say, I have your object. Now, Anna, let's use objects to talk about our bags. Imagine we're at school. I say, I have a book. Anna, reply.
I have a pencil.
Good. Friends, repeat. I have. I have. Say an object. Now a question. Is it a book? Anna, ask me.
Is it a books?
Almost. It's book, not books, for one. Is it a book? Let's practice. Slow. Is it a book? Is it a book? Medium. Is it a book? Is it a book? Fast. Is it a book? Is it a book?
Okay, Tom, is it a book?
Yes, it's a book. Friends ask, is it a book? Now answer with your object. Let's try a little story. Anna's at a shop with her bag. Anna, say an object.
I have a phone.
Awesome. Now ask a question.
Is it a phone, Tom?
No, it's a key. Friends, make your own story. Say, I have your object. Like, I have a pen. Now ask, is it your object? Let's add not. Like, it's not a pen. Anna, try it.
It's not a bag?
Yes, friends, repeat. It's not a. It's not a. It's not a. Say an object you don't have. It's not a. It's not a. It's not a. It's not a. One more story. At home. Anna, say an object and ask me.
I have a notebook. Is it a notebook, Tom?
No, it's a phone, not a notebook. Friends, try a home story. Say, I have your object, and ask, is it your object? Okay, Anna, let's talk like friends. We're at a library. I start. Hi, my name is Tom. I have a book. Is it a book?
Hello, Tom. My name is Anna. Yes, it's a book. I have a pen. Is it a pen?
Yes, it's a pen. Nice to meet you. Friends, repeat Anna's line. My name is Anna. I have a pen. Now say your own. Round 2. Anna, you start.
Good morning. My name is Anna. I have a key. Is it a key, Tom?
Good morning, Anna. No, it's not a key. It's a phone. Is it a phone?
Yes, it's a phone.
Friends, join in. Say your name and an object. Ask, is it your object? Now our game, object chain. I say my name and object, Anna adds, and you keep it going. Ready? My name is Tom. I have a book.
My name is Anna. I have a pen. Your turn, friends.
One more. My name is Tom. I have a book. My name is Anna. I have a pen. Quick round. Say, I have a book. Ask, is it a book? Answer, it's your object.
It's a pencil.
Final repeat, our big phrase, 3 times. Slow. I have a book. I have a book. Medium. I have a book. I have a book. Fast. Is it a book? Is it a book? Anna, you're an object star. Friends, practice every day, and you'll name things like a pro. Thanks, Anna. You're the best.
Thank you, Tom.
Subscribe, share, and comment your favorite object, like, I have a star phone. We'll read the best next time. Bye from Tom and Anna.